All right, so we're gonna just quickly go over some stuff here. 1 and 2, these go to the plasma on off, and I'm gonna explain those here in a second. 5 and 7, 4 and 6, those are voltage. Let's go to our machine and actually walk through what each one connects up to. So numbers 1 and 2 actually connect up to here. They should have a connection like this. They hooked up into port labeled P here, the plasma port. Right. The T port on this machine here, this Torch Light controller port actually comes off the top of the Torch Light controller here. So that's off the top here. Now, the cable that's coming off of 5 and 7 should be going to here and here. That's right, here and here. These two pins here, and then go ahead and remove the center one. 4 and 6 would typically go in here, but as Everlast has some issues with their voltage divider, we usually go 5 and 7 into these ports here. If you're not reading any voltage, flip them, but that's where I would go for our raw arc voltage, because that's what those are defined for. Raw arc voltage on the outside, divided voltage on the inside. They should be hooked up nowhere else. If you did actually try to plug that into a port on the front here, we would blow the board, because it is an excessive amount of voltage. So make sure that your raw arc voltage, your 5 and 7, are hooked up into here, and your P port is hooked up to ports to the pins 1 and 2 in that box.